Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. We are going to go over lesson 1, but in a different way, the way I teach it. So we have the first letter, alif, by itself. It stands alone. So remember that about alif. Alif stands alone by itself, okay? Then we have ba, ta, tha. I call this a family. Can you figure out why I call this a family? Ba, ta, tha. It's a family. Can you tell why? Okay, only the dots are different. So the one in the bottom, ba. 2 dots, ta. 3, tha. So 2 ta, 3 tha, bottom ba. Okay, and that's a family. The next family is jim, ha, ho. So can you tell why it's a family? Right? So ha doesn't have anything. Ha, right? Ho, the dot is on top of the head. And jim, you have a dot in the belly. Like one of my students said, it has to go to the jim because it has something in the belly. It has to go to the jim. If that's going to help you remember it, then that's fine. Jim, ha, ho. Next family, dal, dhal. Dal, dhal. Right? That's the next family. Then ra and za, za. Same family. Okay? Then we have sin and sheen. Another family, right? Sheen has the 3 dots. Sin, sheen. Sod and dod is also a family. Sod and dod. Then we have to and tho, a family. Ain and ghain, another family. Fa and qaf, another family. Qaf has the 2 dots. Then kaf stands alone, lam stands alone, mim stands alone, noon stands alone. Waw, ha, hamza, and ya. So we have 9 families here. If you're able to memorize the 9 families and then memorize the standalones, alif, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya, then you get your alphabet. And then later on, you'll see how it's easier when you memorize by families, because we'll see what happens to the families later on when they connect.